Hello my lovelies, and welcome to A Writer's Corner with me, Lysa Shimkus. I've got a big announcement for you, which is that NaNoWriMo, or National Novel Writing Month, is just around the corner, and I have created a course just for you to help you with the preparation piece, also known as Preptober. I've created my NaNoWriMo preparation course, which is a 4-part series that is going to teach you the necessary skills that you need so that by November, or NaNoWriMo, you will be ready to start writing. And before I rattle on, you're probably wondering, what is NaNoWriMo? National Novel Writing Month began in 1999 as a way of getting writers to compose a novel of 50,000 words in 30 days in the month of November. And my NaNoWriMo preparation course is to help you get ready for this. I will teach you how to generate story ideas, plot your novel, develop memorable characters, and so much more. This way, by the month of November, NaNoWriMo, or whenever you're watching this video, you will be ready to handle the writing process, which is personally the hardest part. And to make this course even easier for you, I have created the only writing tool you will ever need, my novel writing kit. It is a tool to give you the necessary skills that you need to start writing. And this kit is completely digital and complementary to the course and its lessons. But I do have to add that you will not be learning how to write. And that's because your writing style is as unique as your own fingertips. Oh my God. Fingerprints. That's for you to figure out come the month of November when you start the writing process. My NaNoWriMo preparation course and the novel writing kit are here to help you with the preparation piece. And your next question is probably, why should you learn from me? I was a teacher for almost a decade, and in that time frame, I taught many students how to get ready to start writing their own stories from start to finish. And that includes the preparation piece. I will be teaching you the same steps in this writing course. Now don't worry, you won't be learning at the level that my students did, but you will be learning the same exact steps that they did in order to start preparing for your writing. In other words, if I can teach students to stay resilient and to not give up on the preparation piece nor their writing, I can teach you to do the same thing. Hence my upcoming NaNoWriMo preparation course and novel writing kit. They're quick, simple, and straight to the point. If you follow the steps, do the exercises, and pair the two, come November, you will be more than ready to start writing your novel, or whenever you're watching this video and preparing to start writing. Therefore, mark your calendars, subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss any of the courses once they are uploaded. Lesson 1 will start on Monday, October 2nd at 10 a.m. And don't worry, the course will still be up and running no matter when you decide to attend. And the rest of the lessons will be uploaded on a weekly basis until the first week of November, because that's the week that you will start writing. That will be your writing process. I'll see you in Preptober. Bye.